It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, December the 8th. I'm Michael Groff. A lot of clouds out there this morning, but those will be decreasing by this afternoon. A strong trough of low pressure enters the region tomorrow for a return to clouds, winds, and widespread rain and mountain snow, along with much cooler temperatures. In fact, the coolest weather we've had so far this winter season will be moving in here. The weekend is looking pretty good, but what about next week? Do we have any more opportunities for precipitation? And how long will those cooler temperatures last? Let's talk about it first. Looking at the almanac from yesterday, 75 degrees, the afternoon high. 53 was the morning low. The normal high now down to 67. The normal low, 46. As we take a peek outside right now at 8:30 a.m., mostly cloudy sky greeting us this morning, and we are sitting at 57 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 30. Relative humidity, 36%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. The upper air look this morning shows a little wave just to the southwest of us off the Southern California and northern Baja coast, and that's brought in the clouds the last day or so. That will be scooting east, so by this afternoon we will see decreasing clouds, but a much stronger trough of low pressure is lingering to the northwest of us, and it'll be dropping in very quickly tonight and tomorrow, bringing in more clouds, moisture, and those chances of precipitation. Here's the watch warning map. We do have a number of winter weather advisories out here in the west and heading into the plain states as well with our system coming through. Dense fog advisories for the Gulf Coast and plenty of action in our 49th and 50th states also. Check out those winter storm watches, warnings, gale warnings, storm warnings in much of Alaska. And in Hawaii, there's been a state of emergency declared over flash flooding that's been ongoing there. Very heavy rain for several days. The convective outlook for today, we've got a marginal risk of severe storms from around Tallahassee up towards Savannah, Georgia. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix around 1/3 to 1/2 inch. Slightly heavier totals possible in those higher terrain areas just to our north and east. And yes, over the high country, a lot of this will come down in the form of snow. We'll talk about this weather pattern in more detail as we get to the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that weak wave to the southwest of us. A much stronger trough is developing across the northwestern states and over western Canada that will be rapidly diving southeast by tonight and tomorrow. But for today, down at the surface, mostly cloudy this morning, becoming mostly sunny by this afternoon. Temperatures rather pleasant too, highs in the upper 60s to low 70s. Tonight, we're mostly clear through the evening and much of the overnight hours. By sunrise, the clouds will start to increase once again. Lows mostly in the 40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, mostly cloudy, slight chance of showers in the morning. Then showers becoming widespread by the afternoon as this system rapidly moves on in. And we'll see mountain snow as well. Highs tomorrow, a bit cooler. We should be in the mid to upper 60s. Really depends on when the rain starts to move in. And then tomorrow night, widespread showers. And this will be what we like to call a high pop, low QPF event. High probability of precipitation, but low in terms of how much we actually get. In Phoenix, the rain amounts should vary between about 1/10 to 1/3 of an inch, with slightly higher totals in those favorite upslope areas around North Scottsdale, Carefree, Cave Creek, and so on. Still, I think just about everybody gets wet. That's why we have a nearly 100% chance of rain. And then by Friday, that moves out of here. There might be a stray shower in the morning, but we're partly cloudy otherwise. High temperatures Friday, a bit cooler, low to maybe middle 60s. And that sets the stage Friday night for clearing skies, radiational cooling taking over. And Saturday morning, you'll wake up to lows in the mid-30s to low 40s. And the coldest desert spots, the outlying areas of Phoenix, likely getting down to near freezing. We've taken the mention of frost out of the forecast, but can't completely rule it out in a few areas. Most of us probably don't see that, though. And then highs on Saturday back in the mid-60s or so with a mostly sunny sky. We should be in the upper 60s, maybe low 70s on Sunday with a mostly sunny sky. And then on Monday, another system rapidly intensifying along the west coast there. Plenty of rain and mountain snow coming in for California, the Sierra, the Great Basin, and up into the Pacific Northwest. Here in Phoenix, clouds on the increase, partly cloudy sky, high temperatures, a couple of degrees either side of 70. And then on Tuesday, recent model trends suggesting this next system may actually be moving a little further to the south and the base of this trough coming into Arizona. So we could actually see another round of precipitation if this verifies. So we'll go with a partly to mostly cloudy day for Tuesday. And at least for now, we'll put in a 30% chance of rain. Better chances of rain and mountain snow across northern Arizona. But if model trends continue this way, we might have to bump precipitation chances up higher, and temperatures would be cooling off once more back toward the mid-60s. Could even be cooler than that if this system turns out to be stronger and we see more precipitation here. Then, looking out toward a week from today, this is Wednesday the 15th, that trough is moving out into the Rockies toward the Plain States, going negative tilt as it does. Broad troughing remains north of Arizona, so temperatures would be seasonably cool if that verifies. Then going out 10 days, this is Friday the 17th, got an area of low pressure near San Francisco heading our direction, clouds lingering around, and maybe some more unsettled weather out there toward the end of next week or the following weekend, but this is 10 days out and likely to change. As we check out rainfall for the Phoenix area coming off of the European ensemble, this runs out through the 23rd of the month. And you see every single member does show measurable rain here. With this upcoming event, the ensemble mean around 0.2 to 1/4 of an inch. Overall, for the next couple of weeks, the mean is over 3/4 of an inch of rain, suggesting that we could see some more unsettled weather through mid and even into late December. Let's hope so. And temperatures off the European ensemble, a few days we're poking above 70, but many days in the 60s, which is typical for this time of year, with lows in the 40s. You even see some days we're in the 30s. Keep in mind that the European generally skews a little on the cool side, especially with low temperatures. So if you're looking for lows at Sky Harbor Airport, or what will be officially observed, you have to add a few degrees to those overnight lows. All right, that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. As always, I invite you to check out my streaming station, KMGX, where we play a ton of music, have a lot of fun. It is myself and the one and only Michelle involved in the programming of that station. And so please feel free to check that out. Of course, you can use your smart speaker, say, Alexa, play KMGX live. Of course, I always leave a link to that in the description also. And thank you so much for all of your continued support. Thanks for watching every day. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a wonderful Wednesday.